Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Claudia Cooks. Let's get in the kitchen and cook up some corned beef and rice, the staples in Jamaican Caribbean homes. All of the ingredients used in this recipe today will be listed in the link below. So guys, let's get cooking. Well, I'm gonna add a blend of oil here. I'm using beef drippings, olive oil and some coconut oil, but you can just use whatever oil you've got, but I just like the combination of this to make my corned beef with. Right, I'm gonna add to the pan one medium chopped onion, I'm going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we will be back. I'm going to add some green bell peppers, some garlic and ginger, just gonna let that saute for about a minute or two. Now for some tomatoes. Some thyme, Scotch bonnet, some peas, some sweet corn, this is a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, garlic and onion granules. That's half a teaspoon each, and this is some salt and black pepper. I'm gonna let that cook out for about 5 minutes and then we will be back with the lid on. Time to add about a 1/4 cup of water, or you can use stock. And I've got in here some tomato ketchup and half a teaspoon of brown sauce. And I've got half a teaspoon of green seasoning. I'm going to turn the fire up now. It was on low to medium. Now I'm just going to turn it up. And let's just get this all mixing before I add the corned beef. I like my corned beef in cubes like this. I put the tin in the fridge for about 3-4 hours and then I cube it, because I don't want, through the cooking process it gets all mashed out. I don't mind it, but I prefer it this way. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of spring onion. That's just one that I've sliced. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put a lid on and I'm just going to let that cook down for about 6 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to reduce the heat now because I had it up higher, and now I'm going to reduce it and let it simmer slowly. And then I'll be back between 6 to 10 minutes time. This is after 10 minutes. And there you have it. And off camera, I forgot to put in just half a teaspoon of butter, and I use Kerrygold. You can use whatever butter you like. And I've also added a dash of Worcester sauce in here as well. So I'm just going to have a little taste test and see where we are at. Perfect seasoning, perfect. Now we're going to switch the fire off, and I will come back to you when I am serving up. And there you have it, guys. My corned beef, rice, plantain, and avocado salad. Hope you try this out. It's truly delicious.